बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज का हमारा ऐसे है स्कूल प्लेग्राउंड। A school playground is a place where kids can run around and play with their friends. The playground is a hub of activity and source of great joy for many students. हब होता है मरकज़, एक्टिविटी और जॉय का मरकज़ है स्टूडेंट्स के लिए। The school playground usually has a racetrack and is divided into different sections. Some playgrounds have swings and slides, while others have volleyball or basketball courts. School playgrounds are generally a place for making friends apart from sports, where children gather in groups to talk and play different games. As you step onto the playground, you can see children of all ages running around, laughing, and engaging in various activities. A school playground is a place where children can enjoy their childhood. It is a place of pure joy and freedom, where children can forget about their worries. For many kids, a school playground is a place where memories are made and friendships are formed. And many children carry these cherished memories with them. In conclusion, the school playground is a place where memories are made, friendships are formed, and childhoods are cherished forever. It is a place where children can learn, grow, and explore, and it is a vital part of the school community. ये था हमारा ऐसे। उम्मीद है आपको समझ आ गया होगा। वीडियो पसंद आई है तो लाइक करें, शेयर करें, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें। अल्लाह हाफिज़। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग। अल्लाह हाफिज़।